In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view other people's stuff in BandLab. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, open a creator's profile, see their catalog, and start listening to their tracks without any confusion. Start by opening your browser and going to bandlab.com. On the home page, look to the top right and click Login. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Sign In with Google option. Click the Google button, pick the Google account you want to use, and if prompted, click Continue to confirm access. This step securely authenticates you so BandLab can load your feed and personal settings. Nothing in your projects is altered, it's just a standard sign-in flow. Once you're in, you'll land on your feed. Head to the trending area to discover active creators. Scroll through until you find a profile you want to explore, then click their name or profile image to open their page. Browsing trending is great for discovering new music, and if you already know who you're after, you can use the site's search to jump straight to them. Keep in mind you can only view content they've made public. On the creator's profile, click the Music tab. This collects their published tracks, collections, and releases in one clean view, so you don't have to sift through posts to find what you want. Next, click View All in the Music section. That expands the list from a small preview to the creator's full catalog, making it easier to scan everything they've shared. Now you can view and listen to their creations or albums. Many pages let you sort or filter, for example by popularity or by most recent, which helps you decide whether to start with their top tracks or their latest releases. If you open a track's detail page, you'll usually see artwork, descriptions, and sometimes credits or collaboration notes, which provide helpful context before you listen. When you're ready, hit the play button on any track. The built-in player lets you pause, skip ahead, and adjust volume without leaving the page. Give a moment for the audio to buffer if your connection is slow. If the music doesn't start, refresh the page and try again. If you don't see much under the Music tab, the creator may not have public releases yet, so try another profile from your feed or trending. And that's it. You went to BandLab, signed in with Google, opened a profile, clicked the Music tab, expanded the catalog with View All, and hit play to start listening. Enjoy exploring and discovering new sounds on BandLab.